iMapInvasives offers the ability to create custom reports that will allow you to better understand the information that is available in the database. I'm going to show you today some of the options that we have available and how to create these custom reports. So up here in the top right corner of the screen is the Export Report button. And once you click on that button, the window that pops up will default to exporting data records. But if we click on this toggle switch, it will then allow us to go in and run these specific reports that are available. And so there's 4 different reports available right now. The first is called Approaching Region. Then there's Area Treated, Infested Area, and Species List by Geography. And so you can learn a little bit more about each one of these report types just by clicking on them and then looking at the description to learn a little bit more about them. I'm interested in using the species list by geography to look up the species that have been found specifically in Erie County. So what I'm going to do is zoom in on the map to Pennsylvania, and we're going to go over here to where Erie County is. And then in my layers on off area, I'm going to click on geographic map layers and then make sure that my counties are turned on so I can better see Erie County. And I'm also going to make sure that the layers that I want to have the reports run on are going to also be turned on here. So I want to also make sure that my approximate information is turned on. And just for reference, the confirmed and unconfirmed information is representative, or I should say just the confirmed information is representing species that have specific GPS coordinates. And the approximate information is also confirmed, but it does not necessarily have GPS coordinates. It might be found within a particular water body, or maybe it was mapped, slightly off from where it was actually found. So approximate data is still very important to be utilizing, and so it's important to make sure that you're turning on that particular map layer. So next, what I'm going to do, again, I'm interested in looking at species found just in Erie County. So I'm going to click on this Define or Select Boundary Area and then use Existing Geography. And then from here, there's several options you can choose from as far as what geography you might be interested in learning about, as far as what species are found there. Again, I'm interested in counties. So I'm going to click on that county district, and then I'm going to click right on Erie County, and it's going to highlight the whole county for me. There's an option then if you'd like to create a buffer that would be slightly outside of Erie County. So we can do that. We'll say 50 meters outside of Erie County. And so we'll say accept that, and then that will include that buffer along with our information found in Erie County. And then we'll say next. We'll give a name for our report. So we'll say invasive species in Erie County plus 50-meter buffer. We'll add a snapshot to our report so that we know what the area looks like that we're querying for. We'll say next, and now we'll say run report. And that might take just a minute to run, and when that shows up, that will give us all sorts of information as far as what data records have been reported so far in iMapInvasives for information in Erie County, and then also just outside of it, again, because we included that buffer. And so here's our report. Here's the date of when we ran it. And then again, based on the map data layers that we had turned on, the confirmed and approximate information is going to show up here. And then here's a full listing of all of the species that have been found so far in Erie County. And here is our snapshot that we took a little bit ago. So that's just a taste of one of the report options that are available in iMapInvasives. To learn more, I would recommend logging into iMapInvasives using your user account and testing the other report options out for yourself.